Can an LLC name be different from a business name? Yes, your LLC's legal name is the one registered with the state, but you can operate under a different business name by filing a doing business as, DBA, or trade name. This lets you keep the liability protection of your LLC while branding your business with a name that's shorter, catchier, or more customer friendly. For example, your LLC could be registered as Bright Horizons LLC, but you could market and sell under Sunny Cafe. The LLC name is used on contracts, legal documents, and bank accounts, while the DBA is what customers see on signs, websites, and advertisements. The important part is that the DBA must be properly registered with your state or county, and in some cases, published in a local newspaper. Without this step, the business name won't be legally connected to your LLC, which could cause compliance issues later. Zen Business can help you file DBAS and ensure your business name is compliant and protected. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.